हेलो दोस्तों, यूएस एजुकेशन नार्नल में आपका स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम के बाकी क्वेश्चन करेंगे। अगर आपने इस वीडियो का पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो आप देख सकते हैं। तो बिना देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन: ईआर मॉडल यूजेस दिस सिंबल टू रिप्रेजेंट वीक एंटिटी सेट। ए डॉटेड रेक्टेंगल, बी डायमंड, सी डबली आउटलाइन रेक्टेंगल, डी नन ऑफ these. Correct answer is option C, doubly outline rectangle. Next question. Set concept is used in A. Network model, B. Hierarchical model, C. Relational model, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Network model. Next question. Relational algebra is option A. Data definition language, B. Meta language, C. Procedural query language, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C, procedural query language. Next question. Key to represent relationship between tables is called A. Primary key, B. Secondary key, C. Foreign key, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C, foreign key. Next question. Dash produces the relation that has attributes of R1 and R2. A. Cartesian product, B. Difference, C. Intersection, D. Product. Correct answer is option A, Cartesian product. Next question. The file organization that provides very fast access to any arbitrary record of a file is A. Ordered file, B. Unordered file, C. Hashed file, D. Binary tree. Correct answer is option C, hashed files. Next question. DBMS helps achieve A. Data independence, B. Centralized control of data, C. Neither A nor B, D. Both A and B. Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Next question. Which of the following are the properties of entities? A. Groups, B. Table, C. Attributes, D. Switchboards. Correct answer is option C, attributes. Next question. In a relation, option A, ordering of rows is immaterial. B, no two rows are identical. C, A and B both are true. D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, both A and B are true. Question. Which of the following is correct? A, SQL query automatically eliminates duplicates. B. SQL permits attribute name to be repeated in a same relation. C. A query will not work if there are no indexes on the relation. D. None of these. Correct answer is option D. None of these. Next question. It is better to use files than a DBMS when there are option A. Stringent real-time requirements. B. Multiple users wish to access the data. C. Complex relationships among data. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option B. Next question. The conceptual model is A. Dependent on the hardware. B. Dependent on software. C. Dependent on both hardware and software. D. Independent of both hardware and software. Correct answer is Option D, independent of both hardware and software. Next question, what is relationship called when it is maintained between two entities? A, unary, B, binary, C, ternary, D, quaternary. Correct answer is option B, binary. Next question, which of the following operation is used if we are interested in only certain columns of a table? A, projection, B, selection, C, union, D, join. Correct answer is option A, projection. Next question, which of the following is a valid SQL type? A, character, B, numeric, C, float, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, the RDBMS terminology for a row is A, tuple, B, relation, C, attribute, D, degree. Correct answer is option A, tuple. Next question, which of the following operations need the participating relation to be union compatible? A, union, B, intersection, C, difference, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is, the full form of DDL is A, dynamic data language, B, detailed data language, C, data definition language, D, data derivation language. Correct answer is option C, data definition language. Next question, which of the following is an advantage of view? A, data security, B, derived columns, C, hiding of complex queries, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Next question, which of the following is a legal expression in SQL? A, select null from employee, B, select name from employee, C, select name from employee where salary equal to null, D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Next question, the users who use easy to use menu are called A, sophisticated end users, B, naive users, C, standalone users, D, casual end users. Correct answer is option B, naive users. Next question, which database level is closest to the users? A, external, B, internal, C, physical, D, conceptual. Correct answer is option A, external. Next question is, which are the two ways in which entities can participate in a relationship? A, passive and active, B, total and partial, C, simple and complex, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, total and partial. Next question, the result of the union operation between R1 and R2 is a relation that includes A, all the tuples of R1, B, all the tuples of R2, C, all the tuples of R1 and R2, D, all the tuples of R1 and R2 which have common columns. Correct answer is option D. Next question, which of the following is a comparison operator in SQL? A, equal to, B, like, C, between, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. A set of possible data values is called A, attribute, B, degree, C, tuple, D, domain. Correct answer is option D. तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में इतना ही, बाकी क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट करेंगे। थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।